Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest stylish and beautiful and yummy. Uh, it seems like they are made be a bite of confession. Crochet is a craft invaluable yarn and hook. Well, pasta is a type of food. Did you mean something specific related to crocheting or pasta? I see. If you're looking for a crochet patterns inspired by pasta, you could try creating amigurumi pasta shapes like spaghetti or falafel. You can find various crochet pattern online or in craft books for making food themed in them happy crocheting. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video and subscribe my channel latest and new.